Welcome back to another edition of Friday 5 here at White Island Volkswagen. This week I have 5 new cars for you that you guys have not seen. I think there's going to be a couple shockers in there, so stay tuned to see what those are. As we come to a close in the month of May, come see us, don't be afraid. We do have deals going out for the end of May. We need a couple more cars gone, so don't miss your opportunity to save money on these cars that you see and many more we have on the lot. Now let's get into the cars. Starting off with the Beetle here. This one is a 2019 Volkswagen Beetle, only 6,800 miles. It's got a black interior, as you can see there, brown soft top as Mike's showing you right now. It's got 26 and 33 miles per gallon. It's got navigation, heated seats and mirrors, a split folding rear seat, only one owner, and a clean Carfax, retailing for $37,900. Up next is another Volkswagen. This one is a 2017 Volkswagen Golf Alltrack TSI. 100,000 miles. It's got brown interior. It's all-wheel drive. Still getting great gas mileage at 22 and 30. It's got navigation, a power moonroof, heated seats and mirrors, a parking camera, clean Carfax, and one owner, retailing for $16,500. Next up is another Volkswagen. This one is a 2022 Volkswagen Jetta SE. 24,000 miles. It's got black interior, 30 and 40 miles per gallon. It's going to be hard to find a better gas mileage car on the market. We got heated seats and mirrors, a backup camera, great trunk space in there. It's got Apple CarPlay capabilities. It is certified with that extra warranty, a clean Carfax, retailing for $21,480. The last of our Volkswagens is this 2021 Volkswagen Passat SE. 59,000 miles. It's got a black interior, great gas mileage again at 24 and 36 miles per gallon. Power moonroof, as you can see there. It's got power seats, heated seats and mirrors, Apple CarPlay, tons of safety features. It is a one-owner vehicle, and it's retailing for $18,900. And to finish us off here, we have a 2014 Infiniti QX60. Only 81,000 miles on this car. It's got a graphite gray interior. It's going to be all-wheel drive. You're averaging out at mid-20s in the mile per gallon category. It does have a third row, so 7 seats. It's got leather seats, power seats, and heated seats. Bluetooth capability, retailing for $14,500. Thank you for watching this week's edition of Friday 5 here at White Island Volkswagen. We had a couple Volkswagens. We had an Infiniti. I hope you guys found those interesting. Do not miss your chance to come see the Beetle. That will not last long. And without further ado, I'll let you guys go and stay tuned for next week's.